Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Drill Guide is probably one of the most underrated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. If you're tired of crooked holes and slipping drill bits, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drill guides, exploring how they can transform your drilling experience from frustrating to flawless. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect drill guide and achieve professional-looking results every time. Number 5. Milescraft 1318 DrillMate Portable Drilling Guide. Introducing the Milescraft DrillMate, a portable drilling guide designed for accuracy. This tool ensures you get perfect straight or angled holes, making your projects easier than ever. With multiple angle settings, this guide allows for drilling at 45, 60, 75, and 90 degrees. It's perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks. The DrillMate attaches to all 3/8 and 1/2-inch cordless drills. It also includes a 3/8-inch capacity chuck with key, making it versatile for various projects. This tool is perfect for drilling on the edge of a board or on round stock. Centering channels are built into the base to accommodate round stock up to 3 inches in diameter. Milescraft provides tools that help you complete projects quickly and accurately. This product is designed to make your woodworking and DIY tasks easier. What we like. This drill guide is perfect for both straight and angled drilling. It offers multiple angle settings, allowing you to tackle various projects with ease. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle different drilling needs, you should consider this one. What people say. Assembly went smoothly, and the parts appear to be well made and nicely finished. It worked smoothly and precisely. The press part of it moves really smoothly. Number 4. Big Gator Tools STD 1000 DGNP V-Drill Guide. Introducing the Big Gator Tools V-Drill Guide. This tool is designed to make your drilling tasks easier and more accurate. It ensures your drill bits stay on target. This guide supports 17 drill sizes, ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inches. The increments are in 1/64, providing you with a wide range of options for your projects. It's a versatile tool for various applications. You can use it on flat surfaces, round parts, and even corners. This flexibility makes it suitable for a variety of projects. It is a must-have for any toolbox. Made from special nickel-alloyed steel, it's heat-treated for durability. The guide is built to last, ensuring it can withstand regular use. This ensures it will be a long-lasting addition to your tools. The material is non-plated and coated with light oil to prevent rust. This coating helps protect the guide from the elements. This will keep it in good condition. It features alignment marks on the guide to help you line up on center. These marks make it easy to achieve precise drilling. This ensures accurate results every time. What we like. This guide provides a wide range of drill sizes, ensuring you have the right fit for your project. Made with durable, heat-treated steel, it's built to last. If you need a reliable and precise drilling solution for various sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a simple jig that has a series of holes precisely drilled through it, which act as a guide for your drill bit. On the back side of the jig, a V-groove is machined, so that if you clamp it to a shaft or pipe, the jig is automatically centered and squared to it. It really is a big help when I need to drill a line a few holes and getting to my drill press is not feasible. Number 3. Rockler Drill Guide Jig, Portable Drill Press. This portable drill guide gives you the precision of a drill press with the convenience of a hand drill. It's perfect for small shops where space is limited. It accepts the optional self-centering drill vise. The drill guide adjusts from 0 degrees to 60 degrees using an easy-to-read protractor scale. The depth stop ensures consistent drilling depth, making it ideal for repetitive tasks like shelf pins. This feature makes the tool very versatile. Experience the accuracy and control of a drill press with the portability of a hand drill. Attach your drill to the 1/4-foot hex shank and start working. It is smooth, precise, and free of play. The robust handles with comfortable rubber casings provide a secure grip. The 1/2-foot chuck easily grips large bits, and the ball bearings ensure efficient power transfer. This design enhances the user experience. The depth stop allows for consistent drilling depth without constant readjustment. V-notches help center holes in dowels and round stock. Mounting holes on the base accept shop-made jigs. What we like. This drill guide offers adjustable angles from 0 to 60 degrees, providing flexibility for your drilling needs. The depth stop ensures consistent drilling depth, perfect for repetitive tasks. If you like the accuracy of a drill press but need portability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a well-designed and built drill guide. Works well and has a good range of cut. This device works well drilling a hole perpendicular to the surface. This tool is very well made, very sturdy, heavy duty, smooth movement. I just can't say enough good things about this tool. I definitely think this tool is better than a conventional drill press as it can move anywhere you need it, adjusts with ease and is compact in size. Absolutely a great design. Number 2. Big Gator Tools V-DrillGuide Kit. Introducing the Big Gator Tools V-DrillGuide Kit. This innovative tool ensures accurate drilling, making your projects easier and more precise. It's designed to guide your drill bit perfectly. The standard size kit offers 17 drill sizes, ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inches, with increments of 1/64. This wide range ensures you have the right size for any job. It's a versatile addition to any toolbox. The metric size kit includes 17 drill sizes from 3 mm to 9.5 mm, in 0.5 mm increments, plus 3.3 mm, 4.2 mm, and 6.8 mm. This provides a comprehensive selection for metric projects. This kit is essential for precision work. This guide works on flat surfaces, round parts, and corners. Alignment marks help you center the drill accurately. It adapts to various project needs. Made with non-plated material and a light oil coating to prevent rust. The special nickel alloyed steel is heat-treated for durability. This ensures it will last for years. What we like. This kit offers both metric and standard drill sizes, making it incredibly versatile. It's designed for use on various surfaces, including flat surfaces, round parts, and corners. If you work with both metric and standard measurements, this is the perfect tool for your workshop. What people say. Over the last 8+ years I have used these drill guides many times and they have allowed me to drill super accurate holes in a variety of scenarios including on non-flat surfaces. They have held up perfectly and I expect them to last another 50 years. It is hard enough not to wear with repeated use, and lets me drill straight holes on the fly. They are great for drilling precisely perpendicular holes. Number 1. Drill Press Guide Jig with 5 drill bushings. This drill guide jig makes drilling accurate vertical holes simple. It ensures perfect alignment on any surface, making your woodworking projects easier. The jig comes with 5 drill bushings, ranging from 6 mm to 10 mm. Changing the bushing is easy, allowing you to quickly adapt to different drill bit sizes. The drill guide is designed for easy bushing replacement. It's a user-friendly tool that saves time and effort. Made from premium aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. Its strong construction ensures long-term durability, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this drill guide is a must-have. It's a great tool for furniture factories and woodworking enthusiasts alike. The package includes the main body drill guide and 5 drill bushings. Get yours today and experience the difference in your woodworking projects. What we like. This drill guide comes with multiple drill bushings, making it easy to switch between different drill bit sizes. Centerlines ensure accurate alignment, allowing you to drill precise holes. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for a durable and accurate drilling solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to drill straight holes with my hand drill. The guide is well made and sturdy. It is easy to use and set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.